Hi, this is Pam from StatDash. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set activity notifications and then how to display them on our interactive calendar. On this dashboard, you'll see that I have activities with due dates. If you click on the due date, you'll see that I have actually added start dates as well. I'm just not displaying them on this dashboard. I'm going to click on the Edit Activity and show you, if you click on this Notifications tab, you have the opportunity to set different settings for your notifications. Checking this box means that notifications are turned on. You can turn them off simply by unchecking that box. You can set the notification times by putting numbers in here, and these are all relative to the due date. So I'm going to set this first one goes out 5 days before it's due, then 3 days, then 0 is on the due date, and then I'm going to change this to -1, which means 1 day after the due date, and -2 is 2 days after the due date. You can click here to get a little bit more information. Tells you that using positive or negative numbers and how that affects the due date. So the important thing to know about the notifications is that it affects not only the due date for the activity, but it also affects any due dates that you might have in the actual individual cells. So the way that works is we have different status types, and I'm going to choose a status that I named Set Due Date, and this is a due date type of status. And what that means is that whatever I put in here in the due date, this is going to show up in that cell instead of the status name. So I'm going to update that. So you see I have that due on 6/12. Now let's look at our interactive calendar. You'll see here that I have this activity for Alex for product specifications that I just set on 6/12. I have my other activities are showing up here, and you'll see that if based on the duration, the start date and end date, you'll see it come here. So now I can quickly change my durations of any of my activities by just changing the start end date there. I can move activities around the dashboard, and that will change it. We can actually set to view this by week if you have a lot due, or since I have it by month, I'll do it that way. I find that to be the easiest way to view. Now we'll go back and let's look. We should see that Alex has changed to the 5th, and that our communication plan should only go from the 9th to the 16th. So let's see that. So we have Alex here, changed to the 5th. And our communication plan has now changed from the 9th to the 16th. So I hope this video has helped you to see how to set notifications for your activities. These notifications go out every morning to let you know what's coming due. Be sure to check out our other videos at statdash.com.